Welcome to the Wild Nature Channel. The chameleon is a mysterious creature that fascinates with its incredible abilities. From its unique skill to change color to its independently moving eyes that can look in different directions at the same time, the chameleon is a true master of adaptation in nature. In this video, we'll dive into the world of this amazing animal to learn how and why it possesses such unusual talents. Ready for an adventure? Let's begin. Chameleons belong to the genus of lizards in the family Chameleonidae. They are mainly found in Africa, Madagascar, South Asia, and some parts of southern Europe. Chameleons can also be found in the United States. There are about 200 species of chameleons on Earth. Interestingly, half of all chameleons live on the island of Madagascar, and 59 species are found nowhere else in the world. Here are some of the most well-known chameleon species. Veiled chameleon, found in Yemen and Saudi Arabia. It has bright colors, green, yellow, orange, and a characteristic helmet on its head, popular as a pet. Panther chameleon lives in Madagascar, known for its vivid colors, red, blue, green, orange. Males are much more colorful than females. Pygmy chameleon, the smallest chameleon in the world. Some species are no larger than a coin, found in Madagascar's forests. Excellent at blending in with leaves and grass. Austerlet's chameleon, one of the largest chameleon species found only in Madagascar. Jackson's chameleon, native to East Africa, also found in Hawaii, has 3 horns on its head, resembling a rhino, prefers cooler conditions than other chameleons. Common chameleon, found in southern Europe, the Middle East, and northern Africa, one of the few species found in Europe, has a greenish-brown color. Leaf chameleon lives in African rainforests, has a flat body and coloring that resembles dry leaves, great at hiding among branches and foliage. Depending on the species, a chameleon's length ranges from 3 to 68 centimeters. The body is highly compressed from the sides, with a short neck and usually a prehensile tail, covered in horn-like scales and bumps, with a sharp, comb-like ridge along the spine. A thick, coiled tail acts like an extra hand for moving through trees. Many species have horned or skin protrusions on the head. Males typically have more developed horns and crests. The head is helmet-shaped with a raised back and more or less curved ridges. The jaws are strong, and chameleons have acrodont teeth of various sizes. Chameleons hear poorly. Like snakes, they lack external and middle ears. However, they are not deaf. They can detect sounds in the 200-600 Hz range. Chameleons have unique eyes that move independently of each other. One eye can look 180 degrees horizontally and the other 90 degrees vertically, giving them a 360-degree field of vision. Once they spot prey, both eyes can focus in the same direction. Their vision is so developed that they can see even tiny insects from a distance of 5-10 meters. Another unique feature is their extremely long tongue. In some individuals, it is twice the length of their body. The tip is a muscular bulb that forms a suction cup when it hits prey. It takes only 0.07 seconds to catch the prey. A chameleon's feet are well adapted for climbing branches. Each foot has 5 toes grouped into 2 or 3 flat sections, making them look like pincers. These allow them to grip both thin and thick branches tightly. Each toe has a sharp claw for clinging to surfaces. Chameleons prefer wooded areas and are mostly found in trees, though some live in burrows. They are slow-moving animals, capable of jumping from branch to branch. Chameleons are solitary and quickly drive strangers from their territory. When they spot an intruder, they first try to scare it away, puffing up, standing tall, swaying, opening their mouth, and hissing. Many people think chameleons change color to blend in with their background. Research shows color change is triggered by light, temperature, humidity, hunger, thirst, irritation, or fear. Sometimes they use bright colors to scare predators. Color change also helps them communicate. Most chameleons change color from brown to green to black, but some species can turn almost any color. The change happens in less than 20 seconds. Chameleons are born with special cells called chromatophores, layered under their outer skin. The top layer has red or yellow pigment. The lower layers have blue or white. When these cells expand or contract, the pigments mix, like paint, changing the chameleon's skin color. Colors are brightest during mating season as chameleons try to attract mates. Most species lay eggs, but some give birth to live young. Egg-laying chameleons bury their eggs in soil and leave them. After several months, the babies hatch. Live-bearing species, like Jackson's chameleon, carry eggs inside their body and give birth to fully formed young. Chameleon babies are independent from birth. They can already climb and hunt. If you've ever watched a chameleon, you may have noticed its unusual swaying movement, like a dance. This is not random. In nature, chameleons live among swaying branches and leaves. To avoid being noticed by predators, they sway forward and back to mimic the movement of leaves in the wind, making them harder to detect. Sometimes this motion is used to check if a branch is stable before stepping forward. Chameleons may also dance while hunting to stealthily approach prey, getting into the perfect position to shoot their long tongue. They mainly feed on insects and small invertebrates. Larger species can eat small birds and lizards. Chameleons hunt from ambush, choosing a spot and patiently watching, constantly moving their eyes. Once they spot an insect, they turn their head and align both eyes to judge the distance. Prey is swallowed whole. If the prey is too large, the chameleon chews it with its teeth, firmly held in its jaws. Lifespan depends on the species. Small chameleons live to 5 years. Larger species can live up to 10 years. In captivity, with proper care, chameleons often live longer than in the wild. The chameleon is a true wonder of nature. Its ability to change color, observe carefully, and hunt skillfully makes it unique among animals. This small but incredibly clever creature shows us how nature finds amazing ways to survive and adapt. We hope you enjoyed learning more about these mysterious lizards. Thank you for being with us. If you liked this video, leave a like and subscribe to discover even more amazing facts about the natural world.